Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate chip cookies cookie dough step by step. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees F and gather ingredients listed above. Warm up your favorite mixing bowl and set the butter to soften at room temperature. I'll guide you through creaming, adding eggs, and folding in chocolate chips for perfect texture. Stay relaxed, follow my pace, and enjoy the cozy baking process with clear steps. Start by creaming 1 cup softened butter with 1 cup brown sugar and 1/2 cup white sugar until light and airy. Add 2 eggs one at a time, mixing just until incorporated to avoid overworking the dough. Stir in 1/4 cups flour, 1 tsp baking soda, and 1 tsp salt, then gently fold in 2 cups chocolate chips for even distribution. Chill dough briefly for better shape and flavor concentration. If you're enjoying this recipe, please subscribe and like to support more easy baking guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes crumb cleanup effortless, and you get back to baking sooner. It's surprisingly helpful around cookie sessions, picking up flour and crumbs without asking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Portion dough with a 1/5 tablespoon scoop for consistent cookies and space them 2 inches apart on a baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees F for 10 to 12 minutes until edges are golden and centers look slightly underbaked for chewiness. Let cookies rest on the sheet for 2 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack for 5 minutes to finish setting. Enjoy warm with milk or let cool completely for packing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.